Now these are the types of jobs that we love. Full bathroom remodel, a key has been left, deposit has been left, everything is in the garage. No one's gonna be here for the duration, so we can just really knock this out quick without anybody getting in our way. So got the trailer getting set up. We're gonna pull out all of our tools here. Garage is full with everything we need. Now this is going to be a budget remodel. This is a younger couple having a new baby. They have a hall bath that is old, outdated. They want it to look clean and be clean when they bathe their child. So budget bathroom, everything here is from Lowe's. We have our valve and trim kit, all in one vanity, bathtub, Carrera clean porcelain high gloss tile, shower head, and some fixtures. So it's going to be a clean looking bathroom, budget friendly bathroom. I'll give you a cost on the materials for this bathroom so some of you can have a general idea. And then once it's completed, it's going to look beautiful. It's going to look clean, well put together, very nice shower. So let's show you the existing. We're going to rip out this whole bathroom today, take maybe an hour, maybe two, and then go shopping for this will be a Schluter shower. So we have Schluter board in town right now, 12 sheets. We're gonna go pick it up from our local Dow Tile. Let's do it. And here it is. Hall bath, linoleum floor, old single sink, cabinet, toilet, everything's going, fiberglass around. We'll cut this out quickly. We have a soffit up here. The soffit will be deleted so that we can open up the bathroom a bit, delete the soffit, install drywall, and install some 4-inch LED lights. So let's get right to it. Get a bit of a workout and rip this bathroom out. Get around here. So demo is complete, took about, I don't know, 2.5 hours or so. We're gonna leave the floor here. It's much easier to sweep up debris, but we ripped out the surround. We were very fortunate to see this here. We planned on slab work. We planned on opening this up to relocate the drain for our tub installation. So it looks like there was a tub here originally, and they installed a fiberglass insert. So this saves us time, it saves our client money. Our soffit up here is deleted, so today we're going to pull all that down, install our can light wiring, install our drywall, and install our two 4-inch LEDs. Of course, we will leave the toilet. So, demo's complete, time to rebuild. Clean all this up, install the tub, drain kit, drain overflow, plumb the valve, get our layout for our niche in the back, put up some backer board and waterproof via Schluter. Here we go. So we installed the bathtub. Drain kit is hooked up. We want to protect this through the duration of this full project. So we have some carpet shield. You can buy this at any big box store. Basically, we wrap the tub with it. It's very thick, if you can see. It has adhesive on one side and you stick it to the tub. Protects it from any dings or scratches. Best for us for protection versus drops, plywood. We've done the paint on membrane that you peel off, cardboard, tape. This seems to work out the best. Installing it and removing it. Here we go, 12 by 20 prefab niche, super easy to install, 100% waterproof. inexpensive. We never use this as a shelf, it's insanely thick. Let's finalize this framing of the niche and install this prefab. So here we go, we're gonna do some wet shimming. Our back wall is out 1/2 of an inch, so mix up some thin set. Use your margin trowel and simply wet shim these studs so that you have a flat and plumb wall. Let me show you how off this wall is. It's about 1/2 of an inch at a plumb. Wet shim is the solution. Skip around here. All right, here we go. All wet shimmed and plumb. Much easier method than sistering your studs. Especially with the cost of 2x4s these days, a little bit of thin set goes a long way with making your back wall or side walls flat and plumb. Okay, the floor is installed. We have our back wall wet shimmed. We will screw this back wall off, waterproof all of the seams and penetrations, pull the clips and wedges, and we will protect the floor with this cardboard here. So let's get to work.